Hello everyone, welcome back. Now since your model has been deployed and you have got the endpoint here in this, okay, let me just open that. So this is your REST endpoint, which you can for the REST endpoint for the model you have deployed, and this is the primary key. Okay, you can see that here, and this is the secondary key. So this is the Python. You can also see like how consumption option. Okay, so this is how you can consume inside the Python, inside the C#, JSON, JavaScript, right? So here this is the program which I've written, and then you can also write one program to consume your model, and these are the features, right? And against which you want to calculate the charge. Okay, charges. So you can give like you can import JSON and then the user lib request and all these libraries. I will share this program with you in my GitHub, and then you can use this. And after you deploy the model and get the endpoint, you can put that endpoint here in this URL. So that is API endpoint, and this is the API key. Okay. So meanwhile, you can just give the value, okay, any value from your data set. Okay. So now this value can give male, and then, okay, all those like age, sex, BMI, children. Okay. So this is the age, sex, male. All right. So based on this, the model will predict the charges. And now, as in when I replace, if I run this program, it will give me the error that this particular API endpoint and other those values are kind of blank, unknown URL type. Okay, so I'm gonna give that URL, so which is, I can close this, not required at all now, and I can get the REST endpoint from here. So this is the REST endpoint of the model I deployed using Azure Pipeline Automated ML, right? And this is the program wherein I have to provide the endpoint and the API key, which is this. Okay, I can copy by clicking here, and then now it can be read from the environment variable also, but straight away I want to predict the charges and want to show you the charges the model predicts for the given set of value, okay, features basically here. Okay, and then it is going to just give me the prediction. Okay, so this will get the this will give you the prediction charges, right? So now you can see this endpoint and this API key for the model you have deployed is working fine. All right, and here is the charges, right, based on your data set uploaded, okay, to the Azure. So prediction charges result is 2,578 rupees 0.87. So this is with the 90% accuracy, and whatever model we have deployed, right, it is giving me that. Okay, so that is the accuracy and that is the prediction it gives. Okay, so that is how you can consume the model, okay, with the help of a URL, endpoint URL, of course, service, here it is, REST endpoint URL, and the respective key for the authentication. Okay, you have to pass that API key also, okay, model key. So that's it from this consumption of this model in one of your program where you want to consume, where you want to leverage that model which you have deployed and want to predict the charges, okay, insurance charges basically for the given set. You can change this value and then can also get the output. Okay, let us see that. So it is predicting something like this. Now if it is 40, say it is calculating. Okay, it is predicting pretty well, quite well, I would say. Okay, so they are at low risk, right? So the insurance will be less for those, this sex and this female who is 40 years in comparison, or in comparison with a male who is like 80 year old, right? So that is how you can leverage. And I hope you have liked the explanation and learned from this video. Please do like, subscribe to this channel, and I will bring more and more video. I will upload more and more video on the different like from the classification model, time series, and NLP and all, right? So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.